You know, I once met a guy who thought the Huddly C1 was just a video bar. Ever heard of modularity? The Huddly C1 brings AI-driven audio and video to small and medium rooms. It's a modular device that works both as a standalone video bar and as the foundation of a C1 Crew multi-camera system. If you're connecting the C1 to a laptop, all you need is the Huddly C1 kit, which contains the Huddly C1, a one-directional USB-C cable, the wall mount with mounting template, HDMI cable, power adapter, and power cable. And if you're connecting to a room system, you're going to need an additional USB cable that fits your room compute. The Huddly C1 delivers best-in-class video experiences along with superior sound quality to make meetings more engaging and inclusive, both in the room and for those calling into the meeting. C1 is software upgradable and is certified for both Microsoft Teams and Google Meet. The most important thing when mounting the C1 is to mount it as close to eye level as possible, either above or below the screen. And for more details regarding setup, be sure to check out the Huddly C1 setup video on our YouTube channel. After installation, the AI on the C1 sees the room through a wide static shot, which includes all participants in the room. The AI then proceeds to zoom, frame, and switch digitally off this static shot, depending on the chosen mode. Huddly C1 has 4 modes: speaker mode, collaboration mode, group framing, and manual mode. Both speaker mode and collaboration mode are specifically designed to make your meetings more dynamic and engaging by framing, zooming, and switching between meeting participants. And while speaker mode frames the active speaker, collaboration mode will frame listeners as well. Group framing makes sure everyone in the room is always within the frame, while manual mode allows you to manually set a fixed frame of the meeting room. And since the AI is built right into the C1, everything is processed locally on the device and not in the cloud. The 16 microphones in the C1 first and foremost serve to pick up the sound in the meeting room, but simultaneously enable speaker detection to assist the AI. The AI provides an optimal audio experience by removing background noise in the room while at the same time enhancing speech quality. This is the sound of my voice with no AI enhancements whatsoever. And if we turn on the AI, now you can really hear the quality of audio that the Huddly C1 provides. Also, every participant can be clearly heard, regardless of their position in the room. This is the sound of my voice, roughly 2 meters away from the C1, roughly 5 meters away from the C1, roughly 9 meters away from the C1. This not only results in a better meeting experience, but also reduces cognitive load for all meeting participants. And for alternative mounting options or front panels for the C1, be sure to check out Heckler's impressive array of mounts and front panels. And to learn more about how to extend the C1 with Crew add-on cameras, you gotta check out the C1 Crew product video. I mean, everyone's talking about it. It's the talk of the town.